Good morning, students. So today we solve one more problem on finding the inverse of a matrix using elementary row transformations. So here the problem is find the inverse of a matrix. The matrix is given by A is equal to 2 1 minus 1 0 2 1 5 2 minus 3. So this is a given matrix. Next we find the inverse of this matrix. So here first, as we know that we write the given matrix and the unit matrix side by side. So that is denoted by A colon I3, which is equal to, on one side we write the given matrix 2 1 minus 1 0 2 1 5 2 minus 3. On other side just put a colon here, and on other side we write unit matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Here now what we do, we interchange R2 and R3. So here interchanging, this is a row R2 and this is R3 and this is R1. This is R1, R2, R3. So now interchanging R2, R3, that is R2 interchanging with R3. So this symbol is for interchange. Okay, this symbol is for interchange. So R2 and write this symbol, then write R3, means R2 and R3 are interchanged. So interchanging R2 and R3. So what we get, A colon I3, which is equal to 2 1 minus 1, this is R1 as it is. Next we interchange these two rows. So in the second row we write the elements of the third row. So that is 5 2 minus 3. And similarly in the third row we write the elements of second row. So 0 2 1. Similarly here also we interchange the two rows, 1 0 0 as it is. Now in the second row we write the elements of the third row, that is 0 0 1, and in the third row we write the elements of the second row, that is 0 1 0. Next, taking R2 is equal to R2 by 5. So here dividing this row R2 by 5. So we get AI3 is equal to 2 1 minus 1. Okay, then here we divide this whole by 5. R2 is equal to R2 by 5. So 5 by 5 1, 2 by 5 2 by 5, minus 3 by 5. Next this we write the elements as same as it is. So 0 2 1. Now here also we operate the same operation here. We carry out the same operation here. So first is 1 0 0 as it is. Now second row is divided by what? 5. So 0 by 5 is 0, 0 by 5 is 0. Next 1 by 5 is 1 by 5. Next the third row as it is we write. So this is 0 1 0. Okay, next we make the operation R2 is equal to, R2 can be written as 2R2 minus R1. Okay, so now we write the elements of R2. This is R2, right? This is R2. We write the elements of R2 by using the formula 2R2 minus R1, right? So multiply the second row with 2. Okay, then subtract the elements of the first row, that is R1. So then we get AI3, this is 2 1 minus 1, then this is 0 minus 1 by 5 minus 1 by 5, then 0 2 1, next 1 0 0, and again the same operation we carry here also. R2 is equal to 2R2 minus R1, so which gives minus 1 0 2 by 5, next 0 1 0. Okay, next here in this here again we carry out these two operations. Okay, so R3 can be written as R3 by 2 and R2 is equal to minus 5 R2. So that is, now see first element as it is, first row as it is 2 1 minus 1. Next second row we take second row as R2 is equal to minus 5 into R2. So multiply this R2 with minus 5, that is 0, minus 5 by 5, that is 1, minus 5 by 5, that is again 1. Next here R3 is taken as R3 by 2. So divide this R3 by 2. So 0, 2 by 2 1, then 1 by 2. Now same operations we carry for this unit matrix also. Okay, so now first row as it is 1 0 0. Now here we take R2 as minus 5 into R2. So minus 5 into 0, R2 is equal to, where is R2? Okay, R2 is equal to minus 5 into R2. So here R2 is minus 5 into 1 plus 5, minus 5 into 0 0, minus 5 into 2 by 5, minus 5 plus 5 get cancelled, so it gives 2 is equal to 2. Okay, so next is we write third row, R3 is equal to R3 by 2. So R3 by 2 means 0 by 2 0, 1 by 2 and 0. Okay, so these are we'll get. Next we carry out this operation, R3 is equal to R3 minus R2. So AI3 is equal to 2 1 minus 1. Next 0, R3, taking R3 is equal to R3 minus R2. So R2 as it is 0 1 1. Now R3 can be written as using R3 minus R2. So this is R3 and this is R2. So subtract R3, subtract R2 from R3. So 0 minus 0 0, 1 minus 1 0. Okay, next 1 by 2 minus 1, that is minus 1 by 2. Similarly here 1 0 0, 5 0 2 as it is. Next here R3 can be taken as R3 minus R2. So this minus this, 0 minus 5 minus 5, 1 by 2 minus 0, 1 by 2. Next 0 minus 2 minus 2. Okay, so next we take the operation R1 is equal to R1 minus R2. Okay, R1 is equal to R1 minus R2. Now this is equal to first one is 2, R1 can be written as R1 minus R2. Taking R1 minus R2 means subtract R2 from R1. So 0 minus 2, sorry, subtract R2 from R1. So 2 minus 0, 2, 1 minus 1, 0, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Similarly, write the other elements as it is, 0 1 1, then 0 0 minus 1 by 2. Similarly, we carry out the same operation, R1 minus R2. So 1 minus 5 minus 4, 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 2 minus 2. Now remaining elements as it is, 5 0 2 minus 5 1 by 2 minus 2. Okay, next is we carry out the operation R1 is equal to 4 R3 minus R1 and R2 is equal to 2 R3 plus R2. So here R1, 4 R3 minus R1. So this is R3, multiply this R3 with 4, then subtract R1. So 4 into 0 0, 0 minus 2 minus 2, 4 into 0 0 minus 0 0, 4 into minus 1 by 2, it is minus 2, minus 2 minus plus 2 gives 0. Similarly here R2 can be written as 2 R3 plus R2, 2 R3, 2 into 0 0, 0 plus 0, that is 0, 2 into 0 0 plus 1, that is plus 1, 2 into minus 1 by 2 is minus 1, minus 1 plus 1 again it is 0. Next third row element as it is we write 0 0 minus 1 by 2. Similarly we carry out these two operations here also. So this is which gives minus 16 2 minus 6, minus 5 1 minus 2, then this is minus 5 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Okay, next taking R1 is equal to R1 by minus 2 and R3 is equal to minus 2 R3. Okay, so that this gives, when you divide R1 by minus 2, so this takes the form of dividing R1 by minus 1, minus 2, minus 2 minus 2 get cancels 1 0 0. Similarly R3 is equal to, multiply this R3 with minus 2 which gives 0 0 plus 1. So after applying these operations we get this as 1 0 0, 0 1 0 and 0 0 1, and the same operations we carry here also, that is R1 is equal to R1 by minus 2, and divide this row by minus 2, this gives 8 and this is minus 1 and this is minus plus 3. So this is plus 3, 8 minus 1 plus 3. Similarly this row as it is, minus 5 1 minus 2, R3 is minus 2 into R3. So here multiply with this with minus 2 into minus 5 plus 10 and minus 2 minus 1, then this is minus plus 4. So like that this matrix is converted into a unit matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 and 0 0 1, and here also it takes another form. This is, so therefore the inverse of the matrix, given matrix is 8 minus 1 3 minus 5 1 minus 2 10 minus 1 and 4. Okay, so this is how we find the inverse of a matrix by using elementary transformations. So I have given another problem as homework, so please try to solve these problems. Only the thing is that you have to apply the row transformations. Okay, you have to apply the row transformations in such a way that it should take the form of a unit matrix. It should take the form of a unit matrix. Okay. Then automatically, then if it takes the form of unit matrix, then it will convert to into some other form. Okay. So in the next class we go to some other topics, next topic. Okay. Thank you.